Hi guys, today I will tell you how to create the virtual environment on Windows in VS Code. So first of all, you should have the Python installed in your computer and set up everything. So first of all, I check which version of Python I have. So I will write Python version and click. So I have 3.12.5 version of uh, VS Code. So for virtual environment, you should have to open the command prompt in your terminal of VS Code. Then you should need to install the virtual environment by giving the command of virtual env. Then press click. So it will download in your PC. I have installed it already. So my requirements are already cleared. So one thing that you need to remember in your mind, open the command prompt that I opened from here, right? So I have command prompt. Then I will give the command for virtual environment. So I will write Python -m vnv. Then give the virtual environment name. What you want to give. So I will give the name like env is my virtual environment name. Then press click. So you can see here env is here. It's mean virtual environment has created in your VS Code terminal. Now then we will need to activate the virtual environment. So I will write dot / name of the environment. My name of environment is env. Then /scripts /activate, because then press enter. So you can see here our environment is activated and you can see the name of environment here. Now second thing that you need to remember in your mind for working with your recent environment. So you need to active your interpreter. So for this press Ctrl Shift P and then select environment, and you can see here I created environment env. You can see here. Then press it now. Right now everything is fine. Our virtual environment has been created. Now I want to check which libraries I have placed. So you can see here now I have just pip library 24.2. Now you can download and install any library that you want in Python. Like I want to install the Seaborn for visualization. So it will take time and it will install, but your environment is active now. You can work on it and install libraries as much as you want. So thank you so much watching this. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I will create more helpful videos for you. Thank you so much.